Let's make some banana bread in a bread maker. To start, you will need a bread maker, 240 ml of whole full fat milk, a quarter cup of unsalted butter melted, and 4 large eggs, and 2 cups of mashed banana, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 3 cups of all-purpose flour. You want to add these ingredients in the steps I'm adding them also. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You then want to close the lid, and if you have the Kmart bread maker like I do, you want to select the cake setting, which is number 10. And as you can see here, on that cake setting, it does mix it for you. But after a few minutes, you want to get a spatula and just scrape down those sides to ensure that all that flour is incorporated. You then want to close the lid and let it bake and do its thing. So this is after 1 hour, how it's looking. And this is when it's done. So now that it's done, we want to remove it from the bread machine and place it on a cooling rack. You want to allow it to sit for 15 minutes before you remove it from the baking tin. So now that it's been 15 minutes, we're removing it from the baking tin and we're going to leave it on this cooling rack to cool completely before we serve it. As you can see here, it does have a medium crust. You can choose the light crust setting if you want it to not be as dark. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any other suggestions of any recipes you'd like us to try, don't forget to comment them down below. Again, thank you so much for watching.